After the confinement we all experienced during the COVID-19 period, we might reconsider the matters of energy and start offering animals the life that we would really enjoy for ourselves. Nowadays, there is a tremendous need to change the globally known saying, history repeats itself, and replace it with, let's make new history. Let's not repeat the same mistakes of the past that have kept us enslaved throughout the years. We can start by freeing the birds first. Putting them in cages where they cannot fly is the most inhumane and sick act that mankind has ever committed. I strongly believe that our freedom depends on the animals' liberation. It is a war that needs to stop because we are all one and connected. Thus, we're just hurting ourselves, and we forget that everything we do or send around is only us on the receiving end. Let's all imagine the positive energy that could be created in our lives by the animals' appreciation instead of their condemnation. What kind of life would we live if all animals besides our pets loved us instead of hating us? How much better would our lives be if we had animals' blessings rather than their curses?